Minister of Sport Olivia Grange says the dedication of the statue of sprint legend Usain Bolt mounted in Water Square, Falmouth could be happening in short order. Grange says the statue was meant to be dedicated last year, but a decision was made to delay the process.
We're going to have is an official dedication of the, but because of the hurricane, right? But we're going to set a date. We're going to do it for Christmas with the tree lighting and then the official dedication. But again, so much and just the recovery process. We didn't want to rush things, but we're going to be doing it shortly. The fountain. And it's all lit and everything. So when we turn the water on, it's going to be lit at night. And so it's complete, it's ready.
Meanwhile, Minister Grange also commented on the Reggae Boys' second failed attempt to qualify for this year's FIFA World Cup in the Intercontinental Playoffs. Jamaica lost 1-0 in the final to the Democratic Republic of Congo in extra time.
I'm very disappointed, but we'll wheel and come again. And we're looking forward to the girls qualifying. Yes. So I want to encourage them to continue. I want to encourage JFF to put that much more into the development of the boys and development of women's football.